We've got a nice easygoing day. The wind's died down. This past week we've had between 45 and 70 mile an hour winds, and that makes for no fun. You get stuck inside quite a bit. So we picked up a rifle that we're going to be testing out. We're going to be sighting it in, then testing out some ammunition for it. It's a cartridge that probably many people haven't really heard of. It's the original Western cartridge. You might understand what I mean by that. But we're hoping to take that out and use it this fall for pronghorn, antelope, if we can draw the tag, and then mule deer as well. So testing it out, trying to see what happens. First shots through this new rifle, and we're going to share it with you at the range. Okay, so we're going to be running the Maple Super Grade Model 70 26-inch barrel, and the cartridge today is the 264 Win Mag. We're going to be running Nosler factory 130 grain AccuBonds, get our speeds, and get it on paper. .2121. That's pretty good considering the box velocity is 3,100. .3116 for second shot. Third shot was 3,087.9, and this is our information at the moment. So 3,087, 3,108, maxed 3,121, average was 3,108 for 3 shots out of a brand new rifle. I think the rifle's sighted in. Nice. Okay, we'll give it a minute to cool and start doing groups. .3132.9. .3086.4. That's a wide ES. .3096.9. .3125.7. .3103.8. .3098.8. .3125.7. 3103.8. 3098.8. All right, we're going to do 2 groups of 4. The barrel's somewhat cold. It's definitely not hot. And see how it does with a little bit of heat. Only holds 3, so we'll fire one and throw another one in right after it. That's 3. Throw that 4th in. All right. 4 shots there. So that was 10, 11, 12, and 13 for the shots. Okay, last 4. Here we go. Wow. These last 4 are going to be real big. That barrel was still pretty hot, so we just scorched it pretty well, that last 4. And I'm going to end up taking all the numbers here, showing the total of all 17 shots. We're not including that very first 3. That's on a separate session. So currently it shows the minimum is 3,074. The average is 3,102. The max was 3,132 for 17 shots. So that's pretty good ammo. My shooting could do a little better, but pretty good ammo. So thanks for coming along, and I'll showcase the rifle here at the end. You can get a good look at it in the sun. And yeah, 264 Win Mag. Hey guys, so we're back here home in the shop, and we've got our caliper set to 0 out the bullet size for that cartridge, 264. So the best group was that first one right off the bat, and I'd say it's right about an inch, maybe a little more, a little less. See if you can get there. 1.097, so not the best. Again, I wasn't doing the best for shooting, but for factory ammo, that is pretty consistent, both for placement and velocity. So I couldn't say anything really negative about it. Do I think the rifle really likes it? No. Will it work? Absolutely. I'd say even out to 400 yards, I wouldn't have an issue with anything. Deer, pronghorn, even elk. It really wouldn't bother me. So that would be the conclusion of this ammo testing. I showed how that is. So now we're just going to clean up the rifle and get set for the next thing, which is these guys. I've got 3 packs that we're going to do a ladder test on with several different powders. We're going to test out the 6.5 Nosler 140s. And we're going to say it now. I'm hoping to get a goal of about 3,200 feet per second. And I'll talk to you guys about all the components and all that later, but and which powders. But for now, I think that goes to show that the Nosler ammo was actually pretty good, considering it's also very hard to find. And I personally like the AccuBonds more than, say, Remington Core Locks. They just seem to punch through a little better. So that's my experience from this, and I hope you enjoy, and hope you enjoyed the rifle as well. Have a good day.